first thing you would do is log into your Noodletools. Once you log in, you would open your project. And today, we're going to go to sources because we're just going to enter all the sources we're using. So I'll click New Source, and I would decide what it is. Most likely in this project, it's going to be a book because we checked out a variety of books from the public library for you to use. So you would look at your book and you would find the contributors. What's a different word for contributor? The authors. Sometimes it might be an editor, so that's why they've made it a little more inclusive and changed this word to contributors, but it really just means author. If you're using the entire book, you would just write in the title, like the Blackfeet or the Crow. If you are using like one of the encyclopedias, you would list the encyclopedia, like Encyclopedia of Native American Tribes, and the volume. So maybe it's volume 2, CRE through EXY or something. You would list the volume number and how many there are total. It should say either on the copyright page or the spine. If you're not sure, I can help you. The publisher is also found on the copyright page, along with the year that it was published. We no longer need the publication city. It used to matter if it was published in Minnesota or if it was published in New York, because it might be different publishers. But now, because things are published globally, we don't need the city anymore. If there's more than one, like if you're using the encyclopedia from 2019 compared to 2014, you want to say which edition it is. If not, you can just skip it. There may not be an edition. If it's part of a series like the Blackfeet and the Crow, and the different tribes might be the Native American Tribes of America, you would enter the title of the series. It may not have a number. You'd have to look at your actual book. You'll click Save, and that's really it. So I'm going to give you some time to do that, and I have books for you.